Shalva, sweetie? Shlema says Shalva, sweetie, too? Shalva, sweetie? What? What'd you say? Shalva, sweetie. Shalva, sweetie. I love you. Shalva, sweetie. I love you. Shlema, sweetie. I love you. What are you eating? Who'd you share with?
Mommy.
Yeah, that was so nice.
Mama?
Do I want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Shlema.
And no more.
And no more after this one?
No. Yeah.
Only
One?
only one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm eating some nappy.
Only after I take a nappy. Okay, Shlema. I think Shava got hungry.